welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make stir-fried vegetables and rice noodles with salmon. These are the ingredients: some vegetables and salmon. And these are rice noodles. They are already seasoned, so really easy to make. Perfect for easy lunch. The package has detailed directions. You can make on stove top and also with a microwave. Today, I'm going to use this electric griddle. First, let me explain about the salmon. This salmon is slightly salted in advance. I have another video to explain how to make this salted salmon. Now let's get started. First, spray the pan with some cooking oil. Then grill the salmon. Sear it skin side down. Oh, I forgot to turn on the heat. Okay, now put the other one. Now I'm gonna chop the vegetables. This is a mini sweet pepper. You can use paprika or other kind of peppers. Just cut into half and take off the seeds. Then slice into bite-sized pieces. And this is onion. Also slice into. Then I'm chopping up carrots. And this is sugar snap peas. Strings are hard to eat, so get rid of it like this. I will show you one more time. Grab the stem end and snap it back so it breaks off. Then pull down, bring in the strings with it. These are Enoki mushrooms. I buy Enoki when on sale and freeze. These had been frozen. I don't want to eat the brown part, so I'm gonna get rid of the bottom. Then cut into half. Now transfer the all cut vegetables into the griddle. Then stir fry. You don't need to stir fry thoroughly at this point because you are going to steam it together with rice noodles later. So maybe 30% or less, you can just stir fry. Then move vegetables to the side of the griddle. And now place the noodles onto the griddle. As I said, these noodles are already seasoned, so you don't need to season the vegetables nor noodles. Then add water. And put the vegetables onto the noodles so that the juice from vegetables can be absorbed by noodles. And finally put the lid on and steam for 3 minutes. While waiting for the noodles to be cooked, I'll show you how to make matcha latte. I heard that matcha is now getting popular again. Okay, put matcha powder in a jar. With this matcha spoon, 3 heap of spoons, and with an ordinary spoons, maybe 2 spoons. Then now this is the important part. Please watch carefully. You may be struggling with lumpy matcha, right? Here is the tips. Matcha powder doesn't dissolve into water like sugar or salt, so if you just mix it directly, it can get lumpy. Add just a little bit of water, then whisk it into paste with the bamboo whisk. Now I'm adding some more water and whisk it again. Can you see? Whisk the powder into paste by adding a little bit of water. Make very thick matcha water first and then dilute with more water later. This way you can make a smooth matcha drink without any lumpy parts. Now I'm gonna transfer to the glass and add some ice. Then finally dilute with water. And add your favorite milk. Here you are. Okay, it's been 3 minutes already. Oh, it's perfectly done. Looks good and smells good. See, the noodles are perfectly soft. It absorbed the juice of vegetables too. Looks good. It was very easy, right? Now I'm going to serve. This is my favorite plate. It has a sumo wrestler's name on it, by the way. Okay, now I'm going to serve one portion and save the rest for later. Lastly, I'm adding some sesame oil. This is to enhance the taste and also to prevent the noodles sticking each other. If you like spicy food, you can add spicy sesame oil at this point. Okay, now lunch is ready. Let's move on to the lunch table. Okay, I have rice noodles and matcha latte. Let's eat. いただきます。Yeah, this is tasty. It's easy, healthy, and tasty, and also reasonable. 簡単にできるし美味しいからぜひ作ってみてね。またね。Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Bye. See you soon.